welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to wash clothes with a Beko 6 kg 1000 RPM A+ automatic washing machine. This is a Japanese spec and I'm sure you'd love it because it's so sound. It's really going to do a good job. For a quick introduction, it has a water inlet right here and a water outlet right here. It has a tray here, a tray for your detergents, for your softeners, and for pre-wash. If your clothes is very dirty, put the pre-wash and the detergent and it will wash it squeaky clean. Now it also has right here, it has the parameters, depending on the kind of clothes you want to wash, the materials. It has an on and off button right here, and it also has a display where you're going to see the right temperature, the spin, if you want a pre-wash, a quick wash, or an extra rinse. It has it here. This is it right here. Very durable, and you're really going to have a good wash with this Beko 6 kg automatic washing machine with 1000 RPM. We are going to wash the clothes with our Ariel automatic washing machine powder. It's super cool for Beko. They go hand in hand. Once you wash bed sheets, let's have a quick one while we show you how to wash. Okay, you don't overload. If not, it wouldn't give you a good result. So we've put 3 cotton bed sheets in it. Okay, you close. Make sure you hear that clip to be sure that your machine is properly closed. Now we are going to put our Ariel automatic washing machine powder. Enough. Good. Okay. We won't use the softener, or we are not pre-washing. Okay. So you put it in your cotton. Now it has displayed. You set the temperature to 60 degrees. You spin 800 RPM. You have a quick wash, and then it has started washing. Yeah, it's washing there. It's going to wash for an hour, 30 minutes. Let's watch while we wait for it to wash properly.